Obila oyango ni giseyudo Busdola mano otii godo e nek mar jaod bura ma Kasipul Charles Ong'ondo Were. Ogai mar Obila Douglas Kanja kod jatend okwach kich Amin Mohamed bende oyango ni ji ariyo mamoko osendhi kendo kelo kwan jogo mosemaki chopo 10. Walter Nyambaga nigi ler mathoth.
Ikidemo Obila medo diro gogo mar yudo adiera kotende kod nek mar jaod bura ma Kasipul Charles Ong'ondo Were. Ogai mar Obila Douglas Kanja olero ni Obila oseyudo Busdola e kido mar Salzimaz osetim godo njore nyadidek mag mecho e yor agoko.
The ballistics report we have received unequivocally links the Salzimaz pistol recovered from the residence of one of the suspects to the fatal shots that took his life. This critical piece of evidence not only identifies the weapon used in this heinous act, but also reveals its involvement in the series of other criminal activities. The same firearm has been implicated in 3 separate robbery incidences across Nairobi and Kiambu counties.
Jatend okwach kich Amin Mohamed otelo ni ji ariyo mamoko nyondhi otieno manyoro e kendo mano chopo kwan mag jok mosendhi kod Obila chopo 10.
2 more key suspects were arrested yesterday, bringing the number of suspects in custody to 10. Investigations are ongoing. So last night we arrested the last 2. They are with us in our custodies and we are investigating and we even expect to get more.
Jagoro mogire migawo mar arita kwe Dr. Raymond Omolo bende olero ni arita oseridi motegno kendo chenro mar ik jaod bura ma Kasipul Charles Ong'ondo Were biro timore e yor kwe. Omolo ojiwo jopiny mondo othegre gi njore kod tulo.
We need to give the late MP a decent send-off. We expect that the ceremony will be peaceful. We have the relevant government agencies working closely with the leadership of Parliament because this was a member of Parliament.
Proper arrangements have actually been put in place to ensure that peace prevails tomorrow as the burial ceremony commences down there.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.